Alright guys, welcome back to Dr. Dragon Does Math. We're coming here live from my classroom. Say hello. You guys sound like I've brainwashed you. I have? Alright, fair enough. Alright, so this first one, I want to represent the solution set of each inequality on a number line. So I have x less than 12. And I probably shouldn't have wrote that right over this, but it'll be alright. So literally, the way I do number lines is very simple. I start and I write 12 in the very center. And then I just go the same interval up. So I'll say 13, maybe 14, as I do down. 11, 10. Notice that my smaller numbers are on the left and my larger numbers are on the right. Then I look at this right here. There's no line underneath it. It's not less than or equal to. It's just less than. So I want an open circle. And I imagine this as the arrow of an arrow, the point of an arrow. And this only works when the variable is on the left side, but it's helpful that it means the numbers go this way. Now to really understand that, we want to think of some numbers that make x less than 12 true. 11 is less than 12. 10 is less than 12. So basically, that's why our arrow is coming this way, because it's pointing towards 11 and 10 as possible solutions. This one, x greater than 2.5. So I'm going to put 2.5 in the middle. Might put 3, maybe 3.5 over here, 2, and 1.5 on this side. You don't have to. You could put, as long as the intervals are going the same amount, it doesn't really matter. I saw one student put a 0 here and a 5 here, and that was fine. It's greater than, it is not greater than or equal to. So we have an open circle, and our arrow is moving to numbers greater than 2.5. On this one, x is less than or equal to 3 1/5. So let's put 3 1/5 here. I'll put 3 2/5 on this side, and I'm going to put 3 on this side. And I mean, that's really enough. Fill that circle in because it is less than or greater than, or excuse me, less than or equal to. And because it's less than, our arrow needs to go towards numbers less than 3 1/5. And then finally, we've got x is greater than or equal to 5.7. Put 5.7 in the middle. Put 5.8, 5.6. Fill that in since it is greater than or equal to. And our arrow looks like it's pointing this way. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Word problems. Greg has some pecans. I'm gonna ask for some participation here. Do we know how many pecans Greg has? No, don't tell me a number. Just say it. The answer is no. Answer is no. Not at that point. What do you do when you don't know how many pecans there are? Yell it out. Tell me all.
Make a variable.
Make a variable. Yeah. So I'll choose P for pecans. Okay. After selling 35 pounds of pecans, so when I sell something, those go away. So minus 35. He now has 14 pounds of pecans left. Now, I'm going to tell you this right now. On the test, that's going to be 1 point, because that's my equation. There's going to be a second point for solving the equation. So this is minus 35. I want to add 35 plus 35. That goes away. P is equal to 14 plus 35, which is 49 pounds of pecans. So the work will be a second point, and an answer like Greg has 49 pounds of pecans. That's the third point. And that's going to be important on the test. So, all right. Yay!